Hi, this is Miss M. Brinda, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to see about the case study on flow meters. In India, water pollution is alarmingly increasing due to the discharge of untreated effluents into natural water bodies such as rivers and lakes. The government is trying to curtail water pollution by introducing strict laws, and local bodies are also initiating various actions to curb the water pollution. One such initiative by large city municipal corporation is to ensure that the effluents are treated at the source before it gets discharged into the rivers and lakes. In urban areas, the areas like hotels, restaurants, malls, offices, and the complexes, these are the major places generating large quantities of wastewater at a single source. However, it is not always possible to install an wastewater treatment plant such as ETP or STP at such locations due to space constraint. So, the several government and private organizations has tried in many ways to find the innovative solutions to address these challenges. So, recognizing the challenge of treating wastewater from several hotels and restaurants in Kochi phase, a private company came up with a new idea. That is, Kasma Enviro, which is a leading company in wastewater treatment in Kerala, has started the service of collecting the wastewater from hotels in Kochi on a chargeable basis. They have collected the wastewater from hotels and other areas through the mobile STP. Normally each every hotel and restaurants will be having a separate underground tank or chamber for collecting wastewater effluent. After reaching the site, the mobile STP will be accessing the wastewater in the tank through a long pipe. This wastewater is then pumped into the tanker, which is then emptied at the centralized ETP on the outside of the city for further treatment. Here, the Casmo Enviro intended to measure the intake of wastewater at each collection point so that the hotel or restaurants could be built accordingly. Now, then for this, to get a solution for this, Automatics this company approached Casma Private Limited to use the flow meters as there is an inaccuracy area will be in billing system as there is no flow meters or there is no device to meter how much amount is collected from them. So, Automatics company gave a suggestion to use the flow meters to the Casma Envirotech, and this will by using a flow meter approach it can be mounted on a mobile STP for accurately measuring the wastewater intake so that the customers and also the company will be satisfied. So now we'll be seeing now they have find out the solution that the flow meter can be used, right? So also if even the flow meter is installed in the mobile STP, it faces many challenges such as such as it faces the challenges in installation, accuracy, and quality of the display, right? So the first and foremost thing is as we are installing this in a mobile STP, the installation should be in a compact manner. So considering the limited space available on the vehicle, the flow meter had to be compact design and the use least possible space for this installation. So this is one of the challenges to be considered while we are implementing that flow meter in the mobile STP. Next is that the accuracy should be high as the Cosma Envirotex is charging its customers on the basis of intake of wastewater. Next, the ability to measure wastewater it should be good as there are different types of flow meters are available. So we should choose an exact flow meter for this type. So that they have been choosing the electromagnetic flow meter which is be reliable in nature to perform good in such conditions. Next, the Quality of the display should be good as every customer wants to see the readings before the bill is generated. In order to be assured the correct amount of billing is charged. This calls for a display having a good visibility even in the daylight so that both the customers and also the company will be satisfied. So these are the challenges to be faced while before implementing in the flow meter in it. And after that adapt the company which gave a solution to use the exact flow meter such as the electromagnetic flow meter model, that is mag flow 6410 of 80 millimeter in diameter. It is capable of measuring the flow of wastewater with an accuracy of 0.5 percentage of the measured value. They gave a solution. So by using this exact electromagnetic flow meter model, we can able to face these challenges. So and also the accuracy will be good. Next, we have faced the challenges and we got a solution to solution, or we have found a device which is suitable for that particular application. And also it should be in a robust design, easy to read display, compact installation and accuracy billing. By installing that flow meter, the prototype is ready now. Now we have to test, right? By adapt flow meter model macro 6410 installed on the mobile by STP, we got accurate measures of intake of wastewater and also it helped in generating the correct bills. Thus, we got a solution by using the electromagnetic flow meter. In that application, we have solved these problems. With the solution for this unique application, the company felt extremely happy to serve the Kochi people. Thank you.